What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and my name is Solomon. For those of you that are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, any comments, please drop it down in the comment section down below. How are you guys doing today? Are you guys doing good? Are you guys doing fine? Anyways, guys, today we're going to be doing an open house. We're going to be checking out a beautiful house that is actually on the market for, I think, around 500 and something $1,000. So it's around 519, I guess. So we'll be taking a look at this house. I know you guys, like, I know we've missed a lot of open houses. We haven't done open house videos like in a while, and I'm like, yo, I have to do one for you guys, and I have to bring one to your screens. Anyways, this house is like very close to like shopping centers, close to Walmart. Like, if you're in Kitchener Waterloo, like you should know like Iron Needles. So the house is very close to that area, and it's a very, very quiet, wonderful area, as you can see right now. Like, I'm on the street walking, and there's no one disturbing me, which is very, very okay with me. Anyways, guys, without further ado, without further delay, without further waste of time, without further hold on, delay, let's actually go and check the house actually. So they have like an unfinished basement, which is where we are right now. So it seems like the current owners actually have this as a kind of like a gym room, kind of like, serious, guys. So yeah, this is what they have currently in their basement. So it's pretty much like a gym room, and I actually do like it. Having some home workout to be like wonderful, to gain more reps, gain more abs, and those kind of things. Like, it's nice to have a gym in your own personal house. Well, the basement is unfinished, so anyone who's actually buying this would actually have to like either finish up the basement or like just keep it the way it is. It all depends. Okay, yeah, so we're actually upstairs right now, and there are 3 bedrooms up here, and I think 2 bathrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. It's pretty big actually. I do like it. Like, yeah, that's your closet, which is nice to have. Like, it's very, very nice to have like a big closet, but this is not the master though. I believe this is not the master. So this is like an office space that can be turned into a bedroom also. So this is actually counted as a bedroom. So there are like, there are 3 bedrooms. So most times they like do switch up the rooms to like an office. So if there are too many rooms, just switch like up one room to like an office and everything, and that's actually cool. And I do like this. Like, it also has that space. It's not the master also. Okay, so this is the master bedroom that we just got into, and bro, this is looking nice, guys. I'm seriously nice. Like, I guys seen this. Like, come on. Oh, so this is the second bathroom. So the master bedroom has its own bathroom, then the other rooms have their own, like, has like a separate one. So like the remaining 2 rooms share one bathroom, then the master bedroom has one bathroom itself. So beautiful. And then you also have like the view, like, out the window, which is also nice. At least like you can see like people's backyards, kind of. So we actually just took a look at that wonderful house, guys. I'm so sure you guys actually did like the house. So we saw the house. It has 3 bedrooms, has 2 bathrooms. It has a wonderful living space. Like, the open floor concept is like nice. And then we saw where like a room was turned into like an office space, which was also cool. And one thing I felt in love with was the backyard. Like, damn, like the backyard was huge. It's massive. Like, you wouldn't know that such a backyard like exists in such a house. I'm like, wow. And then also we saw the unfinished basements, which if you actually do buy that property, you can actually end up finishing the basement or like just leave it and turn it into whatever you want. But like, that property is nice. It was wonderful. I love the lighting. I love almost everything about the house. Oh my god, doing open houses, it's been a while. Like, doing open house videos, it's been a while, and I'm glad I was actually able to bring that to your screen, guys. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Put that down in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to answer those questions, as I always say. Anyways, guys, I'll be ending the video here for today. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Once again, I'm so sorry I actually did make the video short. It wasn't that long. I'm so sorry that the video was actually short, but like, I didn't expect people to actually like come in to the house. I didn't expect like people to like come and actually see open houses like during this period. But I'm like, okay. So many people actually turned up. That was why I wasn't able to actually show too much of the house, and I'm so sorry about that. Anyways, guys, I'll be ending the video here for today. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, any comments, please drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to answer those comments. Anyways, guys, do not forget to do the normals. Stay safe.